Are you dreaming of earning money while you sleep? Imagine waking up to commission notifications all while you were catching those Z's. This is the allure of affiliate marketing, a powerful way to generate passive income. Affiliate marketing isn't about getting rich quick. It takes effort, strategy, and a dash of patience. But the rewards, they can be life-changing. Picture this: financial freedom, flexible work hours, and the satisfaction of building a successful online business. This comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to embark on your affiliate marketing journey. Let's dive in. Affiliate marketing is like being a digital salesperson, but without the pressure of cold calls or inventory management. In essence, you're promoting other companies' products or services to your audience. Here's how it works. You recommend a product or service to your followers, readers, or website visitors. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. The company makes a sale, and you get rewarded for your referral. Affiliate marketing is performance-based. You only earn when your efforts translate into conversions. This model incentivizes you to promote products you genuinely believe in and resonate with your audience. Let's meet the key players in the affiliate marketing world. These are the companies or individuals who create and sell products or services. They offer affiliate programs to partners like you to expand their reach. That's you. As an affiliate, you promote merchant products to your audience through various channels like your website, blog, social media, or email list. These are the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. They're the ones who click on your affiliate links, make purchases, and ultimately earn you commissions. Think of these as matchmakers connecting merchants with affiliates. Networks like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate house a vast pool of affiliate programs across various niches, making it easier for you to find suitable products to promote. Affiliate marketing offers flexibility in how you earn. Here's a breakdown of common payment models. This is the most prevalent model. You earn a commission for every sale generated through your affiliate link. Commission rates vary depending on the merchant and product, ranging from a few percentage points to a hefty chunk of the sale price. In the next model, you get paid for every click your affiliate link receives, regardless of whether a sale is made. This model is less common and typically offers lower payouts due to the absence of a guaranteed sale. Here, you earn a commission for every lead you drive to the merchant's website. A lead could be someone signing up for a free trial, subscribing to a newsletter, or filling out a contact form. The third model involves sharing a percentage of the revenue generated by the customer you referred. For instance, if you refer a customer to a subscription-based service, you might continue to receive a portion of their monthly payments. This model encompasses various actions beyond just sales, such as form submissions, downloads, or even social media engagements. You earn a commission when a user completes a specific action. This model incentivizes high-performing affiliates. You earn a higher commission rate as your sales volume increases, motivating you to drive more conversions. Navigating the affiliate landscape. Finding your niche. Not all affiliate marketers are created equal. There are different approaches you can take based on your level of involvement and connection with the products you promote. This approach involves minimal involvement with the product or merchant. You simply promote affiliate links without establishing any real connection with the audience or product. While this method might seem appealing for its ease, it often yields lower conversions as you haven't built trust or credibility. Another approach involves promoting products or services relevant to your niche or area of expertise. For instance, if you run a fitness blog, you might promote fitness equipment, supplements, or online workout programs. This method allows you to leverage your existing audience and credibility, leading to higher conversion rates. A third approach involves personally using and believing in the products or services you promote. You become a trusted advisor to your audience, providing authentic reviews and recommendations. This method fosters strong relationships and often results in the highest conversion rates. Launching your affiliate marketing venture, a step-by-step guide. Ready to embark on your affiliate marketing journey? Here's a roadmap to get you started. 1. Select a niche that aligns with your interests, passions, and expertise. This will make creating content and engaging with your audience more enjoyable and authentic. 2. Establish an online presence through a website, blog, social media profiles, or email list. This platform will serve as your hub for connecting with your audience and promoting affiliate products. 3. Research and join affiliate programs relevant to your niche. Look for programs with reputable merchants, competitive commission rates, and products that resonate with your audience. 4. Craft valuable, engaging, and informative content that caters to your target audience. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content, ensuring transparency and disclosure. Igniting your affiliate earnings, strategies for success. Creating an affiliate marketing venture is just the first step. To truly succeed, you need to employ effective strategies to drive traffic, build trust, and maximize conversions. Focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. This could include product reviews, tutorials, comparisons, case studies, or even personal stories related to the products you promote. Building an email list is crucial for nurturing relationships with your audience. Offer valuable incentives such as free ebooks or exclusive discounts in exchange for email signups. Use email marketing to share your latest content, promote affiliate products, and build a loyal following. Harness the power of social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, or Pinterest to connect with your target audience. Share engaging content, run contests, and participate in relevant communities to expand your reach and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Consider investing in paid advertising platforms like Google Ads or social media ads to target specific demographics and interests. While this requires a budget, it can significantly amplify your reach and accelerate your earnings. Embracing the affiliate marketing adventure. Affiliate marketing is a journey, not a destination. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-evolving digital landscape. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your successes, and never stop learning. The world of affiliate marketing is vast and full of opportunities. By following the strategies outlined in this guide and staying true to your values, you can unlock the potential of passive income and achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell icon for more.